Alright, now let's start with the first building block, article. An article is nothing but a small word which always occurs as a pair with a noun. Mostly it just denotes the possession of the noun. We have around 13 articles in total. Out of that, we will learn the 5 most important articles. The first one, a or an, it is called ein. The next is my, which is called mein in German. Next article is your, and it is called dein. Similarly, his is called sein and her is called ihr. Now let's consider an example. Apple. Apple is called Apfel in German. So if you want to say an apple, it would be ein Apfel. Similarly, if it were my apple, it would be mein Apfel. If it were your apple, it would be dein Apfel. If it were his apple, it would be sein Apfel. If it were her apple, it would be ihr Apfel. Likewise, you can similarly learn the rest of German articles from the PDF given in the description. This PDF file has all the building blocks in German language. Okay, now we move on to the next building block category called prepositions. A preposition is also like an article. It is a small little word which occurs either in front of a noun or even in front of an article. It mostly just gives information about the noun, like its direction of movement, position in space and time, and so on. Among the various prepositions available, we will pick out the 5 most important prepositions and learn in this video. The first preposition is in. In is same in German. It is also called in German. On. The preposition on is called as auf. What about the preposition with? With is very easy. It sounds similar. It is called mit. And the next preposition from is called as von. Please note, it is not von, it is von. And the next preposition is to, which is called as zu in German language. A house in German is called Haus. A table in German is called Tisch. So, if you want to say in your house, in German it would be in dein Haus. Similarly, if you want to say on my table, on means auf, it would be auf mein Tisch. Likewise, if you want to say with his friend, it would be mit sein Freund. Similarly, if you want to say from Berlin, it would be von Berlin. If you want to say to London, it would be zu London. The last building block component is W word. As the name suggests, they are just WH words in German which help us to form WH questions. Let's pick the important ones and learn. The first W word is what, and it is called bus. Wo would be where, and when would be wann. At last, where would be wo. As a recap, we would see how some questions are formed in German with these W words. Note, we have not learned the sentence structure in German yet. These are just some examples to understand the words alone. If you want to say what is on my table, we already know what means was. Is ist in German. So the question would be, was ist auf meinem Tisch? Note that we actually learned my means mine. Here there is an extra em at the ending. We will learn about that later in this video series. It comes under the concept called declensions. We will definitely cover that in detail. The next question is, who is your friend? Who means wer in German. So the question would be, wer ist dein Freund? Next, the question is, when is her party? When means one in German. Party is same as party. So the question would actually be, wann ist ihre Party? Again, the extra E at the end of ear is due to declensions. We will learn that later clearly. Last question, where is your house? It's very easy. Where actually means wo in German. So the question would be, wo ist dein Haus? So, as a summary, here you can see all the building blocks we learned in this video. If you are interested in memorizing all the actual building blocks in German language, it would be around just 48 words. You can download this PDF file provided in the link in the description below. In the next video, we will learn some useful verbs and nouns in German, and then we will dive into understanding the grammatical structure of German language. Thanks for watching.